Hello, good afternoon. We are team number one, and we are going to talk about team building dynamics. And here are that are the process by which a group of employees working individually becomes truly a united team. So here is the first dynamic.
First dynamic. Dynamics to get to know each other icebreakers. This dynamic is the most commonly used as it works as a warm-up to lower defenses and build trust between people. It consists of introducing oneself, saying one's name, age, function, briefly talking about one's interests, etc. Afterwards, it can be followed with another activity. One of them can be the members write on paper something related to them so that later the others can try to guess who it is. What is expected from this dynamic is that people begin to get to know each other and feel that they are working with someone they know, generating a feeling of understanding and respect, which would improve the work environment and lessen possible disputes that could arise between colleagues, which would benefit their productivity. Second dynamic, team cohesion dynamics, sports activities. This type of dynamics improves trust among members and makes them feel part of a team. Some of the most used are the blindfolded circuit, where a blindfolded person is guided by the others to reach the goal. Other of the most used to promote teamwork and create bonds among its members are related to sports, whether it's soccer, paintball, or relays, which require good organization skills and the ability to give directions. An added bonus is that they are outdoor activities, which will allow them to eliminate stress, disconnect, and get away from routine, as well as they provide a sense of freedom and improve their mood. It is expected that with these dynamics, people leave stress behind, generate camaraderie, and good communication among colleagues, which is key to have a good working environment since they would talk calmly and without reproaches. They could hold discussions and receive constructive criticism without the possibility of ending in an altercation.
Third dynamic, solving conflicts. This dynamic this dynamic works in a plan with three steps. And we have the first step. A group of people is gathered and shown a picture. In this first part of the activity, they are not allowed to make comments or do anything about it. And we have the second step. A sheet of paper is given to each person and they are asked to describe verbatim the image they were shown at the beginning of the dynamic. Then we have the third step. Once all the people have their description, they are asked to compare it with the others and correct or add or even subtract things to their depending description whenever they see it necessary or not. This dynamic helps to think in a most similar way, to think in a team way.
Dynamic 4. Solving problems. Stimulate the creation of different points of view. The purpose of this dynamic is to stimulate the creation of different opinions when solving a problem of the department to which it applies, as well as to encourage all members to become active and creative when expressing their ideas. The activity consists of presenting a case to the team members involved. This must be related to the function of the department, that is, must be a case that is likely to occur. The participants will be asked to reflect on the problem and present different proposals on how they could solve such a case. For this step, a guide to follow to determine the solution can be provided or simply left to the participants to consider. As a final step, the teams should present their proposed solution and state the pros and cons of these solutions. This activity can be done on a large scale involving different departments and assigning an appropriate case according to the competence of each team.
Well, that would be all for of thing one. Thank you for your attention and for your time.